In this video, I'll guide you through how to add places to Google Maps. Whether you've discovered a fantastic new cafe or want to mark a beloved vacation spot, adding places to your Google Maps can be incredibly useful for keeping track of important locations. It's a simple process that will make your navigation experience much more personalized and convenient. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your browser and head over to google.com/maps. This is the main platform where you'll be managing your maps and adding new places. So make sure you're logged into your Google account for a seamless experience. Being logged in will allow you to save your changes and access them from any device. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a search bar there. This is where you'll type in the name of the place you would want to add. If it's a well-known location, Google Maps will likely have it marked already. If it's a smaller or newer spot, you might need to be a bit more specific with your search terms to find it. After entering the name of the place, click the search icon or press enter. Google Maps will then zoom in on the location you searched for. You'll see it marked on the map, usually with a red pin. Once you see the pin, click on it to select the location. This action will bring up a small information card with details about the place, such as its address, photos, and user reviews if it's a public venue. Now, with the place selected, you need to save it to your list. Look for the Save option, which should appear on the information card. Click on Save, and you will be prompted to choose a list where you want to save this location. Google Maps allows you to create different lists for various purposes, like a list for restaurants, one for hiking spots, or even a list for places you want to visit during upcoming travel. When you click on Save, a drop-down menu with your existing lists will appear. If you haven't organized your places into lists before, you might see default options like favorites or want to go. Select the list that best fits your use for this location. If you want to create a new list, there's an option to do so here as well. Just name your new list and save it. And there you go, you've successfully added a place to your Google Maps. It's now saved to your account and you can access it anytime. This feature is great for building itineraries, keeping track of places you frequently visit, or simply storing your favorite spots. Remember, you can always edit your lists and remove places if needed. Just go back to Google Maps, access your saved lists, and manage them as you wish. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now go ahead and start adding those special places to your Google Maps. Thank you for watching and happy mapping.